Hey, what's going on, guys? Steven here. So today we're going to check out the Virmee Tempo VT3. We're going to open it up, see what it comes with, download the app, and check out its features. So let's go ahead and get it out of the package and check it out. Alright, so like I said, this is the Virmee Tempo VT3. We'll have a link for this down in the description. So on the back here, it says it has a heart rate monitor, measure of SpO2, comprehensive swim tracking, message content display, phone call notification, personalized watch faces, scientific sleep monitoring, and 18 sport modes available. So let's go ahead and get it open. So you can download for Apple and Google, so iPhone and Android. So there's the packaging. Pretty nice packaging here. So, wow. Looks like we have the charger, a couple of bands. So looks like this thing actually comes with 3 different bands, which is nice. So you kind of have this push-in style band. I actually really like these bands. That's the same as my Galaxy Watch. So, or my Galaxy Watch 3. We have a traditional band here and another traditional band there. I do say that these bands are actually really nice, super soft. That rubber grip does feel really good. I do like those. I find them a lot more comfortable on my wrist. We have a charger here. So it's fairly short. I'd say that's probably a 12-inch cord, and that's magnetic. We have a little thank you card here and the instructions. So on the back of the watch, looks like you got your little heart rate monitor and stuff, and then your 2 contacts for your charging. So let's go ahead and take this sticker off. We just have 1 button here. Let's go ahead and see if it has some power. And there we go. Just held the button there for a second, and it does look like I have almost a full battery. So that's nice. Nice display. So the display is pretty nice. So what I'll do is I'll actually take my watch off. So let's see. Oh, nice. So you got calories there. I just swiped up. Stand. You got your steps. Heart reading. So let's see. Let me put it on here really quick. Alright, so I got it on my wrist there. So let's see how we activate this. Usually, just like with my Samsung watches, you gotta remain pretty still. So here we go. So I just tapped on the screen there, and now it says it's reading, and there we go. So oh, it's actually showing like real time, so it's going up and down. So that's kind of cool. Let's see, if we press that, we go back. So you can just click that and it will. So let's see, SpO2. It says 96%. That's kind of cool. And it looks like it's in real time because the numbers keep going up and down, which is pretty awesome. So we'll check out, let's see. I'm going to check out some more features, but I'm going to grab my wife's phone and see if I'm going to download the app, and then we'll see how like the call and the messages work. So the screen is really nice on here though. It's, I don't have to keep hitting it. So you got the compass there, home button, pretty much just like other watches. So sleep, alarm, stopwatch. So the screen is very responsive, which I do like. And then let's see, can we hold this to change screens? Oh, there we go. See, I just held it down, and so there's a little check mark up there showing what screen I actually have. So we have that. Looks like you can see some of your other info there. We have a nice digital one. Has your heart rate. I'll have to set the screen time so it doesn't go off, but it looks like it has calories, the date, steps, everything like that. So let me take it back off. And let's see. Whoops. So we scroll over to the right. Let's see what kind of settings we got here. So we have watch face, brightness. Actually, it's not even as bright as it can get. Let's see. How do we turn this guy up? Oh, it's on auto. So, whoops. So brightness, let's turn auto off. Okay, so we'll keep it high. Reset, watch face. All right, let me grab a phone and we'll hook up the app really quick and check it out. Hey guys, I've partnered with IPVanish to bring you a special offer using the link in the description below. IPVanish keeps you web surfing safe by passing your online traffic through an encrypted tunnel. You can access websites and media without restrictions, stops your ISP from interfering with your connection, and keeps you secure while on public Wi-Fi. There's no internet throttling, so speeds are great. They have an awesome mobile app with over 1,500 VPN servers in 75 plus locations and 24/7 customer support. Use the link in the description to save big and get started with IPVanish today so you can browse the web safe and secure. Okay, so I have my wife's Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. I just went to the Play Store, or you can go inside the booklet and scan either one of these. I tried both. Just scan that and it brought me right here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this really quick, and we will check it out and see how you connect it to the watch. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and open, and let's see. Okay, so let me create a quick account here really fast. All right, so I created a quick account. That took like 10 seconds, if that. So mail. So select my height. I'm gonna go feet. Okay. All right, so I entered all my info in there, create my profile, okay. So looks like you can set a goal. So that's kind of cool. It actually says tip. My current weight is 176. My ideal weight is 141, between 190 for my height. So notifications. And we're going to allow. Okay, now let's add the watch. So let's see how we add the watch here. So we'll add. Oh, it looks like it already picked it up. So we'll go ahead and click connect. And allow. Allow. And notifications, okay. So you can select what notifications you want on here. So caller ID, that you can do your email and messenger, and then you can add extras. So I got those turned on. All right, so it looks like we have a nice little intuitive app here. So we can update the firmware, screen time. So let's see. Oh, so we can change how long the screen time. It looks like we can go from 5 seconds all the way to 60. So we got 60 seconds. All right, so let me grab another phone, and I'm gonna try and call it, and we'll see what it says here really quick on the watch. Okay, so I have my daughter's phone here. I'm going to call my wife's phone. It's not gonna ring, it's gonna vibrate because my wife always has her phone on vibrate. So let me go ahead and call. And there we go, right there. So looks like you can it's saying that Lexi's calling, and you can decline the call right there if you want. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's pretty cool how you can see the calls coming in there. So we have a bunch of different activities here. We have run, fast walk, pool swim, a whole bunch of different things here. Different activities, so that's kind of nice. So I was trying to look for the screen size. I will put it up here. But it has 18 different sport modes, sleep monitoring, that's a really helpful feature, and that's nice, up to 7 days battery, and it is waterproof, so that's awesome. You don't have to worry about getting this guy wet. And this is the Galaxy Watch 3 that I wear. These are 22mm watch bands. So let's see, I believe this one looks a little small, but let's see here. So yeah, these are going to be 20mm. And if I'm wrong, I'll put that up. But this is going to be a 20mm watch band, and you guys can get those off of Amazon or anywhere else. It's a pretty standard watch band size. But like I said, these watch bands are super comfortable. They're really nice. All right, so I'm going to give you a little close-up of it here. So another cool feature that I just noticed on this is if you actually flip your wrist like that, see how it turned off? And then if you flip your wrist towards you to look at it, it actually turns the screen on and off. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. I will have more videos coming soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Take care.